Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing today? Hope you guys are fine by God's grace. So here I have my flaxseed gel. Another thing is my blue magic hair grease. So guys, don't mind the seed inside this flaxseed, okay? I just boil it and then use my filter to just get the gel out. So there's a lot of seed going on there, so it's normal, it's fine. It's not going to stay on my hair because the seed is big. So I just added the olive oil to my product. So here I have my avocado. So guys, I will be making DIY hair deep conditioner, pre-deep conditioner guys. So because after this I'm still going to deep condition my hair again. So I have here my avocado, very ripe avocado. So I'm going to take the avocado fruit. So I'm going to take the avocado inside and throw away the avocado, the back, the peel. So to my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. Thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you for always coming back to watch my new video. I really do appreciate you all. If you are here for the first time, you are also welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video to watch. Please, if you like this video before the end, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification so that you will not miss out any of my new video. Okay, so if you just subscribe to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate. So today I'm using two very ripe avocado to make this my hair mask. So these two products are super amazing for their moisture, for their contribution to our hair growth. I really like them. They are super duper amazing. So if you have not used these two combo together before on your hair, please go and try it out. Your hair is going to thank you later. Okay, so I'll just take out all the avocado as you can see me doing. Just put it in my bowl, then I will use my hand blender to blend it to a smoother paste. So this is it guys. After blending it, this is how it's looking like now. It's very smooth and ready to be used. So yeah, you can add any other oil of your choice that you want to add to it. So I just add the olive oil, my blue magic coconut hair grease. That is all I have in there. So now this is ready for me to use on my hair. As you can see, it's so smooth, so nice, going to help you to condition your hair, nourish your scalp, promote your hair to grow, stop hair breakage. If you are suffering for hair breakage, this product right here is for you. So I just shampooed my hair. Now it's time for me to apply this to my hair. The reason why I don't use the DIY product always is because it's so messy. After using it, you are going to have a lot of what to do, like cleaning, like the product will still be dropping on your body. Guys, that is the reason why I don't use, like, I don't do DIY deep conditioner always, because I don't like all those work after everything. You start working, cleaning and doing everything. So but the benefit is worth it anyway, because it have a lot of benefit, like flaxseed gel. Flaxseed gel promotes quicker and longer hair growth by nourishing our roots, the roots of our hair. Flaxseed also have vitamin A in it that help to nourish the scalp while reducing free radical damage. It also promotes hair development and slow down hair breakage. Okay, if you are experiencing hair breakage, flaxseed is amazing. You should give it a try for your hair. So it also helps to improve blood flow in the scalp. That also is going to contribute to your hair growth one way or the other. Okay, so flaxseed also help to enhance overall health of our hair. So if you are having any kind of issue on your hair, try using flaxseed. Okay, it's super amazing, it's super good. Okay, It's amazing. Flaxseed also is a protein rich treatment. If your hair lack protein, you should also try to use flaxseed on your hair. Okay, it's going to add a little bit of keratin to your hair, and it's going to help your hair to be so amazing. So I will just apply this to my hair as you can see me doing. Make sure you apply it heavily so that you have a lot of work to do. So that the product will be dropping on your body. Oh my god, I don't like this at all. This is the reason why I don't use DIY all the time. Okay, yeah, DIY is good, but the work is also not that good. So but I love this. I did not regret using it on my hair after I washed out this product. My hair was super amazing. My hair was soft, my hair was looking so shiny, strong, and all that benefit. So if you can't do this every week, you can at least do it once in a month. It's going to be so amazing. Like me now, I wash my hair once in a month, so it will not be bad if I am adding DIY to my routine once in a month as well. Okay, yeah. So guys, avocado is another amazing product you can also start using for your hair in case you have not been using it. So avocado is great source of biotin, which is amazing. Okay, biotin is super amazing when it comes to our hair. So it also helps to grow our hair very fast. Avocado also help to grow our hair very fast, keep our hair healthier. Okay, make your hair look so healthier. They also have like potassium, magnesium that also help to seal in our critical cell, which also help to smooth our hair and add shine to our hair. So avocado also help to stop or prevent breakage. If you are already experiencing breakage, this one is going to help you to stop it. If you are not experiencing breakage, you want to prevent it, avocado is amazing. It's going to help you to prevent hair breakage as well. So guys, these two products together is super amazing. You should try it out. If you are trying to grow your hair, give it a try. Okay, it's super amazing. So if you really want to grow your hair faster, longer, stronger, amazing, beautiful hair, you should start using avocado because it's super amazing. It's going to help you to grow your hair really fast, and it's going to make your hair so strong. So I'm still here putting this product on my hair, although it's a little bit messy, but what can I do? I have to do what I have to do to make my hair to grow what you want to grow. So if you are watching this extent, you are not yet a subscriber, please do consider subscribing, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you will not miss out any of my new video. Here we do hair growth, how to use products you can find in your hair, in your kitchen to grow your hair, how to use hair grease if you want to grow your hair on a very low budget, how to grow your hair on a very low budget using hair grease, water, or anything at all you have in your house that is good to grow your hair, like avocado and the flaxseed that you are watching on this video, like the blue magic coconut oil that you are watching on this video. Those three things are super amazing when it comes to our hair. So if you want to grow your hair on a low budget, this is me telling you to subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that you will not miss out any of my new video. Guys, I am done applying product to my hair. As you can see, I'm still going to use it heavily like I said before, and my body was soaked with avocado and flaxseed gel because this is too much. But the benefit was amazing. I really love how my hair turned out to be after I allowed it to sit on my hair for about 30 minutes to 1 hour because I was doing other things. So yeah, and after this I also use a from provost deep conditioner to deep condition my hair. Before I apply this product to my hair, I've already shampooed my hair is clean, my scalp is clean. So then I apply this. After I rinse this out, I use from Provost deep conditioner. You can use any deep conditioner of your choice. So yeah, now I'm still here trying to do this part of my hair, guys. This is the last part. Don't worry, keep washing, keep washing. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I really do appreciate you all. Now I'm just going to cover my hair with this big lilo because my hair is not big. So I will see you all on my next video by God's grace. Stay safe, be happy, eat food, drink water. Bye.